Morning student, Introduction to Biotechnology. In that chapter, study about different types of tissue. We know that tissues are formed from various types of cells. Those cells which are present in multicellular living organism. Now these cells collect together and to form a different types of tissue. And study of that tissue, simple tissue and complex tissue in multicellular living organism, in case of plant, in case of animals. Simple tissue in case of human being, in case of animal, for example, simple epithelial tissue. There are different types of simple epithelial tissues. Where these tissues are present and what are the functions of that tissues. Then second types of tissue, that is known as complex tissue. And in that complex tissue, study about connective tissues. We know that there are different types of connective tissues. For example, in case of bones, in case of limb, in case of areolar tissue, in case of adipose tissue, in case of blood, these are known as different types of connective tissues. Tendon, ligament, and there are various functions of that connective tissue. This is a simple complex tissue. Second types of complex tissue, that is known as muscular tissue. And third type of complex tissue, that is known as nervous tissue. Now this muscular tissue, nervous tissue, connective tissue, epithelial tissue, these are known as different types of tissue, and these tissues are present in multicellular living organism. These tissues are present in human being. These tissues are present in case of plant. These tissues are present in case of animals. Where these tissues are present and what are the function of that tissue. Now second most important complex tissue, that is known as muscular tissue. In case of muscular tissue, we know that this muscular tissue get contract and relaxation of various organs. Contraction and relaxation of body. Contraction and relaxation of various organs in our body by muscular tissue. By muscular tissue. Now in that muscular tissue, special types of muscular proteins are present. And due to the presence of special types of protein, muscular protein, now these muscular tissue get contract and relaxation. These muscular tissues are present in various parts of body. And that's why these parts get contract and relaxation. For example, in case of our hand, in case of our legs, and that's why it gets contract and relaxation. Muscular tissues are present in blood vessels, and that's why this blood vessel get contract and relaxation. Muscular tissues are present in alimentary canal, and that's why this alimentary canal get contract and relaxation. Passing of blood, passing of digestive food. Now, different types of that muscular tissues. There are different types of that muscular tissue and present in various organs in our body. Various parts in our body. Now, the first types of that muscular tissue, that is known as striated muscle. In case of striated muscle, these cells present in that striated muscles are long. Cells present in this striated muscle. The cells are long, elongated, that is known as long, cylindrical, long, elongated, and multinucleated, many nuclei, multinucleated. Cells are elongated, long, cylindrical, multinucleated, many nuclei are present in that cell. Uninucleated, single cell. Multinucleated, many cells many nuclei present in that cell. Cells in striated muscle is multinucleated, long, cylindrical, and no branches. Absence of branch in striated muscle. Absence of branch, single, elongated, multinucleated, living cell. And then alternate light and dark band. This is a dark band, this is a light band, this is a dark band, this is light band. Alternate light and dark bands present in that muscle, and that's why this muscle is known as striated muscle. Striated, alternate light and dark band. These are known as alternate light and dark band. That's why these muscles are known as striated muscle. These muscles attached to the bones. That's why these muscles are known as skeletal muscles. These muscles attached to the bones. That's why these are known as skeletal muscles. These muscles are also known as voluntary muscles. Voluntary muscles. Voluntary muscles. Because actions carried out by their own wills, that is known as voluntary muscles. For example, the movements of legs, movements of hands, movements of fingers, movements of mouth, speaking, walking, writing, these are different examples of that striated muscle. It carried out by striated muscles. This is the first types of muscular tissue. These muscular tissues are present in our hands. Muscular tissues are present in legs. Muscular tissues are present in our mouth. And that's why movements of legs, movements of hand, movements of mouth carried out by the striated muscle. This is the first types of that muscle. Second types of muscular tissue, that is known as non-striated muscle. We know that what is meant by non-striated muscle? Absence of alternate light and dark band. That is known as non-striated muscle. Cells in that non-striated muscle is short, very short, spindle-like. Spindle. This is a spindle-like structure. Spindle-like shape, pointed at both the end. That is known as spindle-shaped structure. Very short cells, spindle-shaped structure cell, uninucleated, single nucleus, uninucleated. That is known as uninucleated cell, and no branches. Absence of branches in that cell in non-striated muscles. Absence of alternate light and dark bands in non-striated muscle. That's why these muscles are known as non-striated muscle. Then these muscles are known as involuntary muscles. Various involuntary organs, movements of involuntary organs carried out by that non-striated muscle. Involuntary actions, various carried out by that non-striated muscle. For example, digestion of food substances by alimentary canals, by digestive system. Blood circulation carried out by various vessels, arteries, veins, capillaries. Blood circulation, digestion, that is known as various involuntary actions, and these involuntary movements carried out by that non-striated muscle. This is the second types of muscular tissue. And third, last types of muscular tissue, that is known as cardiac muscle. In case of cardiac muscle, the cells in that cardiac muscles are cylindrical, elongated, cylindrical cell. Uninucleated, same as that of non-striated muscle. Uninucleated, single nuclei in each cell. But in case of cardiac muscle, now this cardiac muscle is branched structure. Cardiac muscle is branched structure. Branched structure. Non-striated muscle and striated muscle is a non-branched structure. It is a branched structure. Single nucleated and alternate light and dark band in case of cardiac muscles. Alternate light and dark band. Where these cardiac muscles are present? Now these cardiac muscles are present in a heart. On heart. And that's why contraction and relaxation of heart carried out by cardiac muscle. Contraction and relaxation of heart carried out by this cardiac muscle. These are known as different types of muscular tissue. Different types of muscular tissues.